Question 13, use the triangle below. We are trying to find A and B again, and then the remaining side. So same type of question. Let's start with angle A and label our sides. So across from the right angle is the hypotenuse. Across from our reference angle is the opposite. And then next to our reference angle is the adjacent. And this tells us, do we want to use sine, cosine, or tangent? We want to use cosine because we're given adjacent and hypotenuse. So cosine equals adjacent divided by hypotenuse. But we want to get A by itself. So we're going to take inverse cosine of both sides. So we have inverse cosine of A, and then inverse cosine of 9 over 22. These cosines are opposite. They go away. We're just left with A. And then inverse cosine of 9 over 22. And make sure you're in degrees. We are rounding to one decimal place. So 65.9. That 5 changes the 8 to a 9. So 65.9 degrees. And so that means angle B is 90 minus that. Those two opposite angles add to 90. So 24.1 is angle B. So now we want to find our last side. So the opposite side I'm going to call X. And you can use Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to use sine because it's opposite over hypotenuse. So sine of A is, I already forgot, 65.9. So I'm using angle A, that's our reference angle, equals opposite over hypotenuse, times by 22 on both sides, and that is our length. So 25 or 22 times sine of 65.9. 20.08 rounded to 2 decimal places. Uh-oh. X over 22, sine of 65.9. What is going on? 20.08 rounded. I guarantee it's rounding. Because see, when you round, it changes your answer. So 28.07. Yep. So watch out if we're rounding this angle to get the right angle. But when you put it in to find this, if you're getting the wrong answer, go back and add more digits. It's going to change your answer.